Fiorentina. And that just means a Florentine steak. Now, if you're traveling in Florence, every single restaurant will have this on the menu. Now, traditionally, this is made with a porterhouse cut, really big steaks. But when I'm home, I like something a little smaller. What's important is that you've got a bone in. Now, have a look at all this meat. See all those little white effects, that marble effect? That's where all the flavor is. But to add a little extra, I'm gonna go with a little olive oil. And then, the fun part, let's play with our food. I'm gonna rub some rosemary right into it. And that's gonna get it really flavorful. Now I've got this great trick. Making sure the grill is hot enough. If I can't hold my hand over, more than 3 seconds, you know it's hot and ready. Listen to this sizzle. So usually in Florence, alongside that nice big bistecca, comes a lemon wedge. But if you've got your grill open, why not intensify that flavor? And let's get that smoky lemon going. Cut side down. Have a look at those lines. So how to place this back? It was at 10, let's do 2 o'clock and get that cross cut. Time to turn this baby. This is done. And if you think this looks beautiful, look at these lemons. Oh, beautiful. Now, whenever you're done cooking a piece of meat, you want to tent it. And tenting just means making sure that all of those juices stay in the meat and don't escape. You just want to make a little tent over it. A perfect side to bistecca alla fiorentina are my cannellini beans. They're white, they're long, they've got a really nice tender little bite to them. Now, these go really great with just a couple of classic Italian ingredients. A little tomato, a little garlic, a little Italian parsley. I'm gonna make a little sauce for these cannellini beans. The beginning of every great sauce is a little olive oil, a little garlic. Now, my beans have been cooking up, and they're ready to be strained. Once the garlic is a little gold, in go the tomatoes and the parsley. In with the beans, it's that quick. And just a quick toss, a little salt for flavor. And because these are beans, they soak up all that olive oil, you can just add a little extra drizzle at the end. These are ready. These gorgeous beans are gonna be the bed for the steak. Let's cut this baby. Beautiful. The smell and look at the juices. And these lemons, look at them. So, little salt, little pepper, little extra virgin olive oil. Wow. A little sprinkle of lemon juice. The meat is savory and tender. And that lemon juice, that smoky lemon juice, brightens everything up.